colleagues also, right? So it will help you to build a good friendship among IEEE. So that's the idea. Yeah. So please ensure that you're connecting with and networking with people. Yeah. You can smile up for this subject.